Is your new phone actually old? Is your warranty already expiring? We expose hidden truths about your phone's true age and warranty status.
Uncover the real activation date and avoid scams. Android and iOS hide these secrets, but will reveal them. Apple recently added a hidden menu that explicitly states when the battery was first activated. Go to Settings, then Battery Health. Look for the field First Use Date. This date is permanently written to the battery management system. In our next trick pack Shapraster, go to Settings, then General, then About. Note down the model number. In continuation, decode the first letter of the model number. If it is M, then congratulations, it's brand new. And if F, then it is refurbished. N means something replaced in the phone. P is for personalized. Our next trick is to log in to mysupport.apple.com with your Apple ID and select your device from the list. This page frequently lists the date of purchase, even for older devices. And your iPhone keeps internal logs that may record the first time it was booted or set up. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Analytics and Improvements, and find Analytics data. Scroll down to find files named Analytics-Daily or Log-Aggregated Corings. Now you need to search for strings like first boot, activation, or construct inside the text. While messy, but this can sometimes reveal the original setup timestamp. Must try. If none of our tricks work, then you can try third-party tools to detect activation date, warranty, etc.
Hope you find this video useful. If yes, please subscribe to our Gossipfunda channel.